my channel once again. Today we are continuing with the Adobe Illustrator over here CC 2015. We're going to learn tools. As we go through, tools are on the left. So we're going to learn about the smooth tool. The smooth tool basically in Adobe Illustrator, it refines and simplifies parts, making them smoother and removing excess anchor points. So the key things is refining and making parts smoother. So it is found here. So smooth tool, come here, then click. So for you to be able to smoothen your path, you have to draw the path first by using the stroke. So you can come here, use the pencil first to activate the stroke first over here. Then after you activate that, you draw the path like that. So that is just an how do we draw a path? A path first, delete first. So you can take a pencil, then you do that. Then when you come here like that, you see this 0 over here, you join the path. That's our path. So you have to draw the path first by the pencil tool, then you smoothen by the smooth tool. So when you come to pencil, after drawing the path, you come to smooth tool, then you just do that. That is smoothen. You pass it across the paths to make it more smoother. So that is smoothening, like that, like that, like that. Do that. Then smoothen like that. Yeah, so that is smooth tool. That is the function of the smooth tool. You can come to the pencil tool once again here, and you just do just a random shape like that. Then you take the right click, smooth tool, and you smoothen like that. You can even draw as just a circle, a random circle. Come here, you draw a circle like that. Then you come to the smooth tool, then you smoothen like that, so it becomes more smoother, like that, like that. Yeah, so that is the function of the smooth tool. Smoothening your tool over there. You can even increase that. You come there and you put that, or you can interchange over here like that. So that's the shape, like that, like that. Or you can come here, you do that. Then you come here, remove that, do that, do that, return that, return that like that, and you put that over there. So that is the function of the smooth tool. Wow, so the next tool we're going to learn about is called the path eraser tool. The path eraser tool is also just found also over here. Path eraser tool. So path eraser tool, the function is you have the path eraser tool over here. The path eraser tool in Adobe Illustrator is used to remove sections of path or strokes. It allows you to precisely erasing paths and paths by clicking and dragging. So it's you first of all create the path first and you erase what you don't need. So this is a path. A path is like that. So when you come here, you create a path like that. That is a path. Come here, the pencil tool. So that is a path. So when you draw with the pencil tool, you come to the path eraser, which is just below here, and you erase the path like that. Just click on the path, you will erase, then do like that and do like that. Yeah, then going back is Command Z or Control Z. If you do Command Z over here on Mac, like that, and PC, like that. Control Z or Command Z is going back to where the previous pattern used to be. So it was like that, so that is going back. Yeah, so to do that, you can just take the pencil tool once again. Use the pencil, which is N on the keyboard shortcut, and you draw a path like that. Yeah, that is a path. Then you come to the path eraser tool and you erase. Just drag like that. Then you erase like that. Command Z like that. So like that. Path, pencil. come there, pencil tool, then do that, then right click, or you long press here on the corner, or right click, then you take the path eraser and you erase. You come to the edge of the path, then you erase like that. So that is it. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe here, then is on creations, so keep on learning. But the lessons are going to learn is, the program is called Tuition Intuitions. Tuition Intuitions is this, now the lessons are going to learn. Now you're on Illustrator, so you can keep on subscribing as we learn by. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.